When leather furniture is properly cared for, it will maintain its beauty and appearance for years. In this video, we're going to show you a few things that you can do to properly care for your leather. Dusting and vacuuming your brand new furniture is essential in order to maintain its beauty. So what you want to do first, as far as dusting, you want to get a damp cloth and just wipe it. And then as far as vacuuming, you want to use one of the attachments maybe from your vacuum and go inside the crevices and kind of get all the small little things that you or the kids kind of wasted in between. That's just going to ensure that it makes sure that your furniture lasts for a long time. We recommend doing that at least once a week. Direct sunlight on leather will cause the leather to fade over time. So you want to avoid direct sunlight with your leather in order to keep that leather looking beautiful for a long time. So during the day, if it needs to be in direct sunlight, we always recommend curtains or blinds or shades to kind of alleviate some of the UV rays from the leather. Also, another alternative is rearranging the room so you don't have the direct sunlight on your leather. You want to keep your leather away from direct heat sources like furnaces or fireplace, because what it'll cause is your leather to dry out. So if it is in the vicinity, you want to keep it about a foot away. And also we recommend maybe instead of conditioning it twice a year, you might want to do it 3 to 4 times a year just to make sure your leather is soft and supple. If you leave a spill, it will turn into a stain. Spills happen, life happens, but in order for that spill not to become a stain, you want to make sure you get to it fairly quickly. You always want to remember to blot and not rub. And for all you DIYers out there, if you want to do it yourself, we recommend using a Neutrogena or Ivory and half distilled water, and just get a damp cloth and kind of make sure you get all of that out so it does not become a stain. Now you know how to properly care for your leather furniture. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And if you want more information, check in the description.